It's not my money. My money is sister. I beg. I beg. I don't want.
2 plantain, 400.
Fish 300. Okay, everything at 700. Una get like query. You where you from come? You be that wafi worry
Area
street area. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Omo, this is like the official first video I am doing ever since I got back to Nigeria, and it feels so good to be doing a video at home. If you're seeing me for the first time, you have to pardon me because today we're not speak English. I'm not going to be speaking English in this video today. We'll speak core pidgin because I first of all did a video about how to speak Nigerian pidgin, and a lot of una don't ask for part 2. Say, I want to learn part 2. I want to learn part 2. I am so excited to bringing you guys the part 2. This time we're not learn the pidgin for yes. I'll consider and say, I'm coming home means that they go as no. This time we'll go enter the streets of Abuja, the streets of Nigeria. We'll learn on the street way. We'll go enter normal taxi. I'm actually parked here. I'll just get my bag from the car. We know they drive, do that kind of video. I'll get my bag and then we'll go enter taxi. I'm just going to go out there, stop a car. Then we'll go meet the taxi man. I go teach you how to price taxi. I go teach you how to buy something. I go teach you how to communicate for pidgin. Like we've gone past the 101. You know, so you guys know they go. More waka, more they go, more they go, more they go. I dey go AP Plaza for here. Oh guys, it's not 800. And you just go no. AP Plaza for here when they go 400. You know carry me 400. If you didn't new for Nigeria, one thing you got to learn now how to negotiate. If they tell you say something at 500, you go price come down. We call it pricing. You will price and come down. Just watch. You don't put your gear to go. Ogamo go, Oyamo go 400 now. Oh yeah, 500. I no go pay past 500. 500 do you? Oga now wow. More they go. You know, so I tell now, if I stock 800, you see they put in gear, say, oh, I'm not going. If it's not, if you don't give me 700, at last now 500 the man still carry me. Guys, we did traffic, so no gist, more now. Our independence day yesterday now. I no come out. Yesterday was our independence for Nigeria. Like we turned 59. I won't just make the man talk. No, as in day go because my own day I did very, very busy.
I need to no come my game house, but independence was okay.
You don't day house?
I did house, I no come out.
You don't go work?
No, I no go. I deal with my family.
It makes sense. So they don't do all those their normal match pass. But if you say
I was it inside the TV.
Okay, you watch out for
yes.
Okay, so nothing's up. Where you from come?
I'm from Ekiti.
Oh, you be Yoruba?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nothing. I remember they pay you now because that place there's no parking. I'll just jump, come up for the car.
I know.
Take your money.
And this one's not my money.
You guys, the drama is just about to start. No be 200 you talk.
No, we bargain 500. I beg. Which count 200? Sister, I beg. My money is 500.
Okay, you said 200.
500. We start from 800 naira. You say you want to pay $3. I said so no. I said 700. He said,
as I not get now, if
you must get oh. Now don't
so you can't beat me.
No, I don't feel beat you now.
So what's going to happen?
Now to collect my money and go now.
Where you want collect them from? You
collect from you now. I don't think waiting your phone won't do for me. I don't need your phone. And my money I need. It's not my money. My money is sister.
I beg.
I beg. I don't want. My money now 500 now. We thought this one before I carry you now. We almost reached there now. Because they give me 200 now for waiting.
Okay, Oga no vex. I know you'll get money.
No. My money is 500.
Okay, ma, I owe you. I'll collect your number. When I get the money, I'll go.
That one, no, they work for Abuja here. I beg.
You don't trust me.
I don't trust myself. Talk less of you.
Okay, we don't need rich. You won't come embarrass me for this.
No be matter of embarrass. I tell you, do not my beg.
Okay, you're collect. Okay, because of God.
Ha.
I beg.
Oh, now waiting the time me be this. So you purposely do this thing for me. My money is 500 now. If and I say
you don't just feel show person love. You don't just feel they nice to person for the first time.
See, if I collect this money now because of God, where you put oh.
I cannot even believe he agreed. I mean, he agreed on a normal day. We died there. Nobody is going nowhere. If I say agree, I was so shocked. I said, this man agreed. A better person. Normally, they go change her for you. Yeah, you do it. Thank you.
No, Allah.
I joke, I did. You don't really laugh for you, they verse.
Nah, no verse.
Nah, jokey. Take 1,000.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
May God bless you. Thank you. Yeah.
All right. Bye bye. Let me jump
people
out.
do for us now.
I understand. You do it. Now be how much? 300. Okay. How much be the plantain?
150, 200.
Okay, I go let buy 2 plantain and 1 fish.
This 300.
300. What of yam? The yam no go sweet. Now new yam in Nigeria we have what we call new yam and old yam. The yam we just newly harvest. Now be new yam. You know they sweet. If you keep the yam down, maybe just day for some months. After some months, the yam go come strong. All the water go come out from inside. So it is sweeter than new yam. So new yam no just they get head. Every time water go the inside, they feel like say it is too light. You know they carry weight. So we know they like chop new yam for you. New yam no sweet now. Might just buy only plantain. You give me 2 plantain, and then you give me 1 of the fish. Everything can be how much?
2 plantain, 400.
Fish 300. Okay, everything at 700. Una get sauce. Okay. I mean, what thing pere mean? I beg. You know say we know the. It means say bagam as in exactly. What if your name na Monday? I be. Where madam, the woman where they?
She went out.
Oh, she no day today. Una been get one. Okay, see the canopy.
All these things they scatter. All these task
all those tax force. Okay, they scatter around. Why they scatter around now?
They say we dey for footpath. Say you na footpath.
Yeah, but una as una dey now, they no come for show now. As una dey.
Oh, the yam don roast.
Yeah, remain small.
How long it go take to just arrange my own?
It's done already now. Within 2 minutes.
But just to slice down.
Exactly.
Pere. You've learned. Pere means exactly. Bagang as in gong gong. So people they buy this head of fish. How much with the head? 100 naira, be 15 naira. Because it's small. Okay, this small center too, now 50 naira. 100.
You need this. This is 100 naira.
So give me now. What do you say make I do?
How much? Wait.
2 plantain. Give me ripe one. So then the price for you?
No, na big one now. Say na small one.
After they, all this thing now, then they give discount.
No, if say na like this one now.
I know they want all those kind of things. I know want.
Your level don't pass this one. See that big fish? Give her.
9 big pass. Makes sense. You don't buy, you don't done. Okay.
You like this?
Wait.
No, just too small for you.
Otazi, I be waiting. Master. I be correct. Correct sister. Okay, they all put tiny, not put too much. Now what they call street food be this. This na street food. But no place to come sit down and chop them again.
See where people they manage.
Men too much.
They know they allow us to. If you want to arrange this place, they come break her.
Okay. I know if you sit down where many men just did.
No. I mean, they don't see your mouth.
Oh, they hide chop.
Exactly. Inside this,
I fit sit down for there.
Exactly.
And I no go buy suya.
No.
Eh, it makes sense. So I'll go check if I fit. So everything now na 800.
Only.
Very.
Dere.
So no discount. Now no give me change.
We'll
Discount.
give you change now. We'll give you 200.
Not too like money. Igbo people. Una be Igbo.
No, we could grow for me forever till be Igbo.
The thing dey the blood.
Dey blood now.
Una do well. Thank you. Bye bye. How una dey feel the video now? Una like am? I just see my entire street too. I see they find one or two we fit still do for the street. Una go take learn, but at least now una don sabi buy something. Una don sabi bargain. Una don sabi argument as e dey be. You see me and that car man, like it was so cool. You guys, more dey find wetin to still do for the street of Abuja. Let's go. Right now, your girl dey the street of Wuse to Abuja. Wetin I will just try do be say I will just try ask one or two people direction. I fit just ask them say, okay, where I fit buy charger? You know that kind of thing. Then we'll just hear how they take the direct people for pidgin. Just in case you find yourself in Nigeria at any point in time and you want ask street people where you want to see something, I will show you just right now. And they see some guys now. Let's say they say glow SIM card. Hello.
I don't know, sister.
How far now? They say SIM card.
I see we dey sell Wi-Fi too.
Okay. I just want to ask now one question. Where I fit buy fruit? I want chop fruit.
Sister, they enjoy you.
Which one beside they enjoy? Wetin be fruit?
Na for farmers market now.
My Tama farmers market.
Yeah, that Mingo side.
Not be there now. May check that back for you.
Awa for you.
That Lingu preset now.
Okay,
And then the new one, this is the
They sell
dog.
Which one be lingo?
They dey front. It's okay.
Check am.
Sister, now farmers market they dey sell fruit.
So which one I go take? Una just dey talk many things.
Sister, just stay here.
Eh?
Just go this side, eh?
Eh.
Go this side.
Agberu.
By your left, eh?
Eh.
When you don't reach left, still go right again. You see.
Which one be?
Sister, na me you ask, I mean Agberu you ask.
Yeah, which day you come this? Wait, which day you come this street when you
Sister,
want follow me
go
drive?
farmers
Wait, which day you
market.
come
Tell them
this
say
street?
one by your left, you go see one aboki pay and they sell fresh fruit.
She not be a book. When you see this sister, don't see na enjoyment. She won't go enjoy. Now booking and roaster now you won't go chop.
Agberu, sister.
Guy, no use
Sister,
a property
say me na me you
life.
ask
They rob.
question.
Wait,
It's confusion.
no use
Sister,
property
na-
life. They enter.
Sister, na me you ask.
Wait.
Okay, na
na
property
property
worry.
line. Guy, you go there, go chop.
This
Sister,
guy no dey eat
just go this place. You
You
go
see
see
as
her.
in shrink.
Okay.
But no,
See
they
as in shrink.
These guys, who should I listen to right now?
See as in shrink. You know
Farmers
it-
market makes sense, but it's too far.
You know too far. Sister,
This
na-
one they tell you see they close. Now one guy man I even get
Sister,
in
you go
shop.
enter drop. You enter drop.
But that your side, I go see everything what I
Everything
want.
do okay. Apple,
Sister, na me
orange.
ask.
Hey.
You dey different from fruit. Fresh one day. You know. Farmers na me get fresh
You be
one.
comedian.
No, me I no be comedian. Me na artist abi o.
Where you from come?
Me na from Benue State. So na Benue boy abi.
You be bending like they blow pigeon like this.
Sister,
But
the
they
different our
dey
blood
blood, they dey
na.
blood.
You where you from come?
Nah, pure data boy.
You be that Wafi worry.
Area.
Street.
Area.
Oh my people, those guys they confuse me. They bust my head 2 seconds. I no can't know what to talk again. So right now I go just find on that guy for the street. I'll just ask because I say go here, go farmers market, go there. I no can't know again. More fine girl this time, abi. Oh, this bros not bad though. They make call. Uncle, well done. Well done, I beg. For this area, I beg, where I go fit buy fruit?
Where you go fit buy fruit? What is why you come dey face the camera? I no understand though. You won't buy fruit now they face the camera.
No vex.
Mona go far.
You know, because of camera, uncle, calm down.
You dey look for
No vex.
address, abi you dey look for where they buy.
Sorry, no vex. You say, the guy say I be end time gay. You hear am? He call me end time gay. Oh God.
قعدتنا ديك في الرميلة ونساتنا تحت الشديرة.
I'm on to chow the chow right away, no time. So normally I for your leave man, but I would like me to just see as it dey go, you know. So first things first, I don't fair wash hands. I go show una see how yummy the thing be. Omo guy. make sense there. I don't pay do one video for that woman's side before. If you never see and check, I will drop the link for the description box. I'm gonna listen to it. I don't fit talk the chopper. I've come to the end of the video. Mona, let me know what you think about the video. I mean, it makes sense. I be too hard. If you want to make a series do them, just let me know. Drop it in the comment section, you know. This food then be Nigerian street food. I'm sorry, forgive me. When I need to go now, I enjoy my child. Well, what do you think? Drop them for comment. I'm sorry. People got to wait. My God. And I can't be hungry on top. So as I get hungry, you want to take chopper, eh? Hey, God. I'm not feel wait. Hey. I'm not tell me as they go. This is not feel for the video. Just let me know if I saw it makes sense. If it don't make sense, just tell me. I'll just still do another one for now. I got you. So, did you experience any difficulties at all learning? Ability just to go where I will let you know. Of course, I trust now. I'll drop my comment section normally. I enjoyed every bit of it. I no go lie give you. I enjoy and die. I enjoy and pass this food every day. So, alright, guys, you have to show your girl some love. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like her. And then, if you get anything to add, write down a comment section. Also, if you never subscribed, give this channel. I don't know what to tell you, but show me love now. It's too hard. It's free of charge, alright? So hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. If you don't already subscribe, you'll be the real G. You my real G. Thank you guys so much. I love you. I will see you for my next one.